Meanwhile, the dangers of fentanyl in Arkansas continue to trouble lawmakers and addiction centers. Some experts want to give users fentanyl test strips to detect when the dangerous opioid is mixed with other drugs. But having those strips is illegal. Tonight, T3 11's Frederick Price hears from the senator trying to change that and a harm reduction group saying it could save lives.
Throwing up, fever.
Amber Kincaid is a part of the Central Arkansas Harm Reduction Project.
We focus on overdose prevention.
There are, of course, many different resources the organization uses to try and cut back drug use.
So yeah, just like a pregnancy test, 1 line, 2 lines.
Among them are fentanyl test strips.
The fentanyl test strip tells you there's fent in this. You need to take less than you usually would.
An item widely used.
People who are sober and maybe have peers who are still using substances, they want them for their friends. Sometimes we have parents who are aware of their children's use and want to have it for their kids.
However, according to Arkansas law, the test strips are illegal and considered drug paraphernalia.
Fentanyl is a dangerous drug. It can cause overdoses. Why would we penalize Arkansans for, possessing fentanyl test strips?
Senator Justin Boyd introduced Senate Bill 40, legislation that would make the single-use test strip legal. The same language is also included in Senate Bill 283, sponsored by Republican Senator Ben Gilmore. It's a part of a more broad bill which strengthens the state's enforcement of the powerful synthetic opioid.
It really dates back to model legislation from the 1970s. It was introduced and it was just included in that bill and it's just never been updated.
Though people like Amber agree with legalizing the test strips, part of SB 283 says if a person delivers the controlled substance to another person and that person dies, they can be prosecuted. She believes that's not really a solution to the increase in fentanyl use happening in Arkansas.
So someone who maybe sells, goes to prison for 30 years, gets out, doesn't have anything to come back to, goes back into dealing, and nothing was solved. You just created longer lasting problems.
In Little Rock, Frederick Price, THV 11 News.